Hello, my name is David Penner, and this is my introductory video for Module 1 of EDL 853, Special Education for School Leaders. A little bit about myself. I am a science teacher at Rose Hill High School, where I teach biology, intro to biology, and physical science. I'm in my 6th year of teaching overall. I've coached both football and basketball for those 6 years as well, while serving as the PDC building representative for our high school. And then I also serve on 2 committees for our district, both the Health Career Pathways Committee and then our MTSS Reading Committee as well. I got my undergraduate degree from Kansas State University, where I'm a proud alumni of the Wildcats. A little bit about Rose Hill's programs for special education. We have a co-op through the Butler County where we work with them in order to provide para support for our students in their core classes. Some students are actually withheld from the classes and just have special class or special ed classes all day long. However, we try to get most of those kids in some form of an elective, or if we can possibly work them into our core classes as well with our core teachers. That's the goal. We do have IEPs and work with teachers and the co-op in order to develop those IEPs for our students. How best, and the goal there is to, once again, how we can best meet the needs of each of those students in the classroom. It's very hard to meet as a group because of the different schedules we have. There's never really a set time in which we have within the day to work on this. So it's very tough for us teachers to meet in person, but we try to collaborate as much as possible. And then within the classrooms themselves, we have a couple adjustments for those special ed students, whether it's lower level classes that are offered to them, or even in-class adjustments in their regular ed classrooms. I teach both what I would call an exclusive class and then also an inclusive class. An exclusive meaning that most of my students are going to be special ed students. That is my introductory of biology class. Within this class, I have para support. Great paras go a long way in helping with that. They can help take additional notes for the students. They also help with testing. I'd go ahead and give guided support or guided notes for the students so that they can follow along easier as we go through lectures. I also give modified tests and quizzes as compared to our regular ed classrooms, where I will maybe reduce the options for those students to choose from, provide word banks, maybe even eliminate questions, and also give the use of study guides on tests. I also go or work to modify assignments as well, and then even give guided help and modified help with the labs that we do in that class. What I'd say with my inclusive class is this is where probably I have 1 or 2 students that may be classified as being special ed, and the rest are going to be regular ed students. I have the para support is a little bit different for these classes. Usually I'm sharing a para with another class or another students in other classes as well. I still try to give modified tests and quizzes to these students, very similar to the exclusive class in that case. I also give fewer modified assignments in this class, still give provided help or guided help with the labs, but I'm also trying to meet with other teachers and other special ed teachers as well in order to gain more ideas or more strategies to help these students in the classroom as well. As far as my proposed improvement plan for Rose Hill, I think it's important that we have the district-wide program in order to help identify not only students that have special ed needs, but also the specific areas in which those students may struggle. I think that's probably where we, as a district, struggle the most, is to identify where is the actual learning disability happening or the problems happening inside the classroom. Once we have those areas identified, I think it's important to get together as a team, teachers, special ed teachers, parents, and the students to develop the IEP goals for the individual student, and then also to develop and share successful strategies that we've had uh, so that we can experience more success as a district. And then I think it's always important to monitor progress and reevaluate each year for each student. Thank you for watching my video. I hope to learn more from you guys as we go throughout this classroom or this class. Thank you.